Hello and welcome. Today I'm gonna tell you how to disassemble and make, repair and lubricant this brew unit from Melitta Barista, this coffee machine, or Melitta Varianza or Melitta Passion. They all have the same brew unit, except on Melitta Barista we have this plastic pad, this attached to the brewing chamber block, brewing cylinder. So, how to disassemble this brew unit? First, we must have brew driver Torx T10. After that, we unscrew this black screw. So, let's make this action. A few turns and the screw is we take out. After that we must put our finger to this part and move it to the top, and after that press red button and move this handle out. This is our first step to disassemble this block. After that we must take Torx T15 and unscrew these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws and 2 from this side. When we unscrew this, just with your 2 fingers take this gray part out, just easily as I do. When you will be take out this top piston, unscrew this center screw from the top piston shower, and when we will get where 2 screws to unscrew them and take out coffee dispensing tube and his plastic collector. So let's assemble this part, and I will show you how to do this correctly and in the best way. First of all, we must take left part of the brew unit, this silicone tube, this one. Here it is. Second, we must assemble top piston. Let's take this, clean it with paper sheets or wet wipes from the old coffee, and clean it with water from the old coffee mud. Here it is. Let's take our new gasket, black one. Let's put it on the top piston here. After that we must take this black plastic ring and metal shower. Let's put it on its place and take this one, this plain head screw, and put this in the hole and screw it. and put this silicone grease around this black gasket. You can use your fingers. After that, let's put these two pistons to its place and connect this silicone tube. Don't forget to put this rubber pad to its place on the top of the piston. You can put it only in one way, so you always will be correct. If you will try to put it upside down, it don't make it place. So this is correct place for it. Now let's assemble cylinder of the brewing chamber. Let's take this orange gasket and put it behind this black ring. You must take such screwdriver to help yourself place this gasket on its place. I just by fingers put this here, and after that I'm used this plus screwdriver, and plus minus, of course. Here it's on its place. I just correct this from the from down of the cylinder by the same screwdriver, and it's perfectly placed inside cylinder. After that, let's take piston, this one looking like mushroom, and put it on its place in the cylinder, and let's put a little of silicone grease in this piston too, near my finger. It will be like this. After we place it in the cylinder and turn little like this. Then let's take this trident and put it on its place, on this correct position, and push it to hear the click. The click will ask for us what it's in its place, especially these spots. Now you see it's correctly placed. After that, let's take this metal part and putting it on their places. And after we take this black plastic part and put it on its place, putting it like I do this part, then this part here, and then moving right arm of this plastic part to the right, we connect this metal square. After that, let's put this assembled cylinder to the left side part of the brewing unit. Move it to the top position, and after that turn this black part what it must fixed with brewing cylinder in the top, and don't let it to move. After that, let's place this top plastic cover of the brewing unit. Then let's take this fixation tube here. After that, let's place right side of the brewing unit. After we screw left and right parts together by this Torx T15 screws. In the final, let's put this handle to its place. In this position, put this part of the handle. Then help yourself by moving this cylinder to the top by one hand, and in other hand here click red button and move it to the down. On the right side of the brewing there is some black plastic bumper, so you must move this handle from the top of this bumper, and after that your handle will fixate and you must screw it by Torx T10 screw. In final, let's turn brew unit upside down, put this gray part to its place nearly here, and when it is sitting correct you will hear the click. So now I screw all screws and show you how to test your brewing. Now our brewing is assembled, let's test it. Put this black cylinder to the top, then click button on the handle and move it to the down. In this section we simulate putting brew unit in our coffee machine. After that, let's push this black cylinder, which one will move our main cylinder to the connection with top piston. Moving. And after that you will hear some air moving from this spout. If you will hear it, our brew unit is assembled correctly, and my congratulations with perfectly done work. Move it to the top. Here it clicks, and move it to the down. After that, move click button, move it to its position, it clicks, and fix our cylinder in our brewing. After that, let's place it in your coffee machine and have a nice cup of coffee. Thank you very much for your attention. Goodbye.